How to view and redeem rewards point with Regions Bank. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to view and redeem your rewards points with Regions Bank. So first thing, just open up the Regions Bank website or mobile app and simply sign into your online banking or mobile banking account. And once you successfully sign into your account, just access the rewards by simply going to the rewards section from your dashboard to see your available points. And you can just view your points balance by checking your total rewards points and recent earning activity. And from there, you can just use your points to cash back or for cashback travel, gift cards, merchandise, or statement credits depending on your card. And alternatively, you can also actually call the mentioned number over here to claim your reward or redeem your rewards points. So after redeeming, you can monitor the status of your rewards directly in your account. So if I were to give a pro tip, you just have to look for the special offers and bonus redemption deals in rewards portal to get more value from your points. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.